Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install and set up my control rig for S&box animations, and how to export animations for the citizen human character. You can download the control rig using the link in the description or in the pinned comment below. If you're already using AutoRig Pro, you won't need to install the additional module. However, if you don't own AutoRig Pro, don't worry. I've included a free add-on in the package that provides IK controls and access to most of the features you'll need for animation. So no matter which setup you're using, you'll be able to get the rig up and running quickly. Once your animation is ready, set the first and last frames of your animation in the playback range. Before exporting, it's important to select the S&box skeleton, not the control rig. The file contains two skeletons for different purposes, but when exporting your animation, make sure to select the SK_S&box skeleton. I've also included an FBX export preset in the package to make the export process easier and ensure the correct settings are used. You can install it by copying it to your Blender Presets folder located in App Data. Now you're ready to export with the correct settings without having to set everything up each time. Select the export preset or manually configure the settings shown in this video. Next, choose the location where you want to save the file and give your animation a name. Once the export is complete, you'll have an animation file ready to be imported into S&box. In your S&box project, open the VMDL file for your version of the human character. In my case, I'm using a forked version, but the process is exactly the same for the default citizen human. You can add the animation from the animation list, or simply click the star icon and choose Add Simple Animation. Now we need to compile. This may take some time depending on your computer's performance. And that's it. You now have everything you need to export animations from Blender and import them into S&box. In a future video, I'll show you how to retarget Mixamo animations using AutoRig Pro. However, this workflow relies on some of AutoRig Pro's paid features. If you're interested in animation retargeting, I highly recommend AutoRig Pro. It can save you a lot of time and makes both rigging and animation workflows much easier. You'll also find a link to AutoRig Pro in the description if you'd like to check it out. If you don't have AutoRig Pro, don't worry. Just be a little patient. I'm currently working on a collection of Mixamo animations already converted and ready to use in S&box. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work and motivates me to create more content. See you in the next one.